When you teach the children, you can tell that this line is upper red line, first blue line, second blue line, and the down red line. So the letters which starts with upper red line, B, D, F, H, K, L, T. So when you say that the letter starting with upper red line, the children will recognize. So again, the letters which touch only first blue line and second blue line. A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, Z. Only touching the first blue line and second blue line. The letters which are touching down red line. G, J, P, Q, Y. So the lines upper red line, first blue line, second blue line, down red line. So the children can understand and they can recognize the letters. Thank you.